Introducing Creozone, the platform for creators and seekers. Getting started is super simple. Log in with your mobile number and OTP. Select your interests and boom, you're in. The app has 5 main tabs: Home, Search, Post, Messages and Profile. All right at your fingertips. Now it's time to build your profile. Choose to be a creator or a seeker. Creators can add their bio, skills, category, experience, portfolio and service packages. And just like that, your creative profile is live. Seekers only need to fill in the essentials, quick and easy. On the home feed, explore creators' posts, like, comment, share, and save your favorites. Looking for someone? Use search to find creators by category or budget. Browse their profiles to see skills, packages, ratings, and reviews. Found the perfect match? Send them a project request instantly. Want visibility? Post your own work and attract new opportunities. In Messages, creators can check work requests. They can accept, reply, or even call, all within the app. You can update your profile anytime, add new work, or manage your settings with ease. Creozone, designed for creators, built for seekers. Download now, available on the App Store and Play Store.